Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll talk on error and problem which occurs in Tableau. In Tableau, sheets and dashboards are not visible after some time. Behind this can be a number of reasons. So let's understand how to solve this problem. For example, I have my file. Let's say this is my workbook. Open it. Here I'm trying to open it, but it says unable to complete action. It says missing connection in relation, or it says one or more connections in this data source need attention. So click on the copy error message, close that window, and here click on locate the extract. Click on OK. So the first step will try to locate the extract. For example, I will open the file where it is placed. So if you have that file, you can open it. In this case, I don't have that file or I'm not able to locate the file. The other option you can use is regenerate the extract. Firstly, just save the data sources. It says could not find the referenced file. It asks replace it with another file. Say yes. And now you can select dataset. Click on dataset. So I will choose this dataset for my file and say open. So all the sheets will be regenerated. So if you face this problem in Tableau, if you are not able to view your sheets and dashboards, you can solve the problem by using option regenerate the extract. This video will definitely help you to solve your problem and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.